In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove background for videos and images. Let me show you the example. So this is a dog in the background. Voila, the background is gone. So I'm going to show you the tutorial if you want to remove background for a videos or for an image. We're going to use Capcut here. There is this new features called auto cutout. It used to be free. Now unfortunately maybe it's pro. I don't know if you guys can use it for free. You can comment down below whether it's free or you need to upgrade to pro. But basically you want to go to auto cutout after you install the Capcut, and then you can choose an image or videos. Now first let me show you a image. Okay, let's find an image. So let's say this is an example of image. I'm gonna import it. So as you can see, the background is gone, guys. As simple as that. This was the background and then the background is gone. And let's say if you want to add a videos behind it, for example, let me find office. You can add an office. Let me just drag it down here. You can drag it below the remove background image, guys. So this remove image must be on top of it. Let me enlarge this so you guys can see. As for the image, we can make it smaller. So there we go, as simple as that. If we play the video, you can see that's our guy with the background removed. Now the technology has made it very easy. It makes our life so easy now. Let me show you a video. So again, we go back here and click on auto cutout, and then we can choose the videos. So this is the one that I use. Let me click on import, and you will see at the top here applying one feature. So it is removing the background, and voila, you can see the background is gone. And same thing if you want to add an image or a videos below it. Let me find the videos. Or we're gonna use library here. Let's say park. Okay, we're gonna add this park. Again, the image you gotta, or the videos that is removed, you gotta put it at the top. This is just an example, guys, and you can see that's our dog. And let me play it. You will see, it's very clean. Let me full screen it so you can see. It's pretty clean, guys. Okay, it's very clean. You don't have to do some crazy Photoshop and this just makes your life so much easier. Now let's try other footage. Okay, let's try other one. I have another one. This one with the pink green screen. Pink screen, not green screen, but pink screen. Now this one doesn't work as well. You can see it's gonna disappear, right? So this one doesn't work as well, guys. You can see it's not as good as the one with the green screen. So that's the drawback, okay, of videos background remover. Now if we use another videos, let me use a human. Okay, so this one is human. Let's see if it does a great job for it. Okay, so this one is not bad. It's not bad, guys. Okay, it's not perfect, but it's not bad. It is still applying. Okay, it's done. I mean, it's not as it's not as bad as the previous one. And this is not green screen, right? You can see, it does a great job for a video background remover. For image, it's perfect. I think there is no problem at all with the image, as long as you know clearly which one you want to remove. I think this tool is definitely great. If you want to try it out, let me know what you think. You can like this video, comment, share it with your friends. And yeah, that's the quick tutorial for using Capcut auto cutout or background remover for your image or for your videos. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.